So again, as you can see from my title, I'm going to be doing a Boxy Charm Luxe unboxing and try on. So full disclaimer, I did open it up just to make sure of what did I get necessarily. Like, did I get a face palette, did I get eyeshadow, did I get both? As you can tell by my face, which this will be the video posted after this one, I got a face palette. I didn't get an eyeshadow, which is perfectly fine because I wasn't too excited for the Violet Voss Essentials palette anyway. So anywho, but let's get started and start unboxing, and let's get through my emotional feelings for the second month in a row. So again, I did open this up. It's a pretty big box. What I will do is I'll post below what weight it was, because I know a lot of people are wondering. It seems like most of us got this big size. This month they did package everything very, very well. I just looked at the little card. I didn't actually open anything, but they packaged well. There's a bunch of bubble wrap and stuff, so I hope it helps so that people don't get so much damaged product. That has been an ongoing issue due to shipping. I know that's not Boxy's fault, but I hope it helps them. This month's theme is all access. So basically it's like they're behind the scenes or whatever. So sorry for the tone. I'm not excited. I'm actually flustered. Sorry. So you guys, I'm just double checking this little card. I just happened to glance at it, and I must have been dyslexic or something because I didn't realize that it did say Violet Voss. So I did get the eyeshadow palette, so my bad since I didn't do my eyes with it. But at the very end, I will make sure to total the value of everything, and I'll put it down below. So the first item I got was the Park Avenue Princess palette. I love this palette. I own this palette. I got it last year. I had actually purchased it from someone off one of the Boxy groups online because it looked so pretty, and it has been one of my original favorite palettes. This is my personal one. I don't want to open it because I still had the sheet, but look at how beautiful these colors are. They're really, really nice. If you go through my Instagram, you'll see that I've used this quite often. I've only in the last couple months started, I guess, exploring other options because I was using it every day. Next thing I got was the Violet Voss palette. Again, the colors are nice and all, but I'm not sure if I want it. So I'm gonna think about it since I did an eye look anyways, and maybe I'll give it away or whatever. But this Violet Voss Essentials palette retails for $29. I forgot to mention the Park Avenue Princess retails for $45. Right, the next is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I love hair balm, so this is amazing for me. This comes with 5 fluid ounces, so it's gonna last me for quite some time. So definitely I'll be sharing with my daughter. It retails for $29 as well, so that's pretty pricey. The next thing I got was the Sunday Riley. The next thing I got was the Dr. Brandt Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I love Dr. Brandt products, so this is really cool. I have plenty of sleeping masks, so I might not open this at this time, but I'll definitely wait for later. This, just so you guys know, this was the only product I actually got, which I selected, which is the meaning for my title, just so you know. I did select the Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. I love Sunday Riley products, so I was very happy to get this, but I'm very, very disappointed because I asked for the motor brushes, and the next thing, I got the wand. I already have a wand with extensions and everything, so this is kind of like redundant. So I'm not gonna keep it, so I'm not gonna open it. This does retail for $65 from Sutra, which again, it's nice. I guess I hear this, it's really good quality, but if you are doing a survey, Boxy Charm, and sending it to most charmers, why not give them what they asked for if you sent them a survey? 2 months in a row, you guys, I've gotten a survey from Boxy Charm. This happened in July for my August box. Now it's happened for my September box. 2 months in a row, Boxy Charm has sent me an email asking what would I like to choose, like one item, and they failed me. For Luxe, we got to choose 3 items. They failed. I asked them for the Too Faced palette because I had the Tarte. They didn't send it. I'm just overall very, very disappointed with Boxy Charm. I've gotten seriously 2 of the same exact messages from them now 2 months in a row. So they're literally taking 3 to 5 business days to respond to people just to literally copy and paste their response. I'm literally gonna just try to put it in. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna put it on my screen to show you guys the email, but it's the same email I got back in August when I complained because I had selected the serum and I didn't get it, and now this, and they basically said tough cookies. We strive to improve, but we hope you like your box. We don't promise you to give you those items. Basically, I'm you know, paraphrasing. We're not promising you the items. It's just a maybe. So basically, don't waste your time, guys, because Boxy Charm doesn't care. They're sending us those stupid surveys, but they're not gonna actually implement them. Or they're gonna implement it for select charmers, because select people did get what they asked for, and some people, like me, didn't. And then there's others that didn't even get they didn't even get the email. So that's how I feel. I'm very disappointed. I'm definitely canceling Boxy after this. My stepmom gets Boxy Charm. I'm gonna ask her if I could just review her box going forward. Ipsy is starting the ultimate box, which is basically a Luxe box every month for 50 bucks. So I'll stick to that, you guys. I'll stick to that. I have plenty of other boxes, as you guys see in my channel. So many sometimes that I can't review them all. Like I've missed Allure 3 months in a row or 2 months in a row now because I just haven't had time. So going forward, at least for now, I'm done with Boxy. I'm done with their BS responses to me and the fact that they're not willing to take care of the situation and they're not caring about the customer. So yeah, it's very sad because I love Boxy. Anytime people will be bashing them, saying crap on pages, on their social medias, like about shipping issues or whatever, I work in customer service, I would defend them. I'd be on their social media pages and be like, yo, things happen, this is going on, blah, 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 check here, check there. I would always defend them. And I had issues back then, which is hilarious, with Ipsy because I had just started my subscription and I kept on getting stuff I opted out of, which is the nice thing about Ipsy. They do allow you to opt out of. But I guess at this point it's here nor there because Boxy Charm's not gonna take care of me. They're not gonna help me out. So I'm done. But let me continue unboxing the rest while I finish so I can stop my ranting. The next item I got was the Hank and Henry Slick With It liner in Blickity Black. Now, I'm not going to open this because later on, I just did a live unboxing yesterday well, by the time this goes up, it would have been yesterday. I did a live unboxing of my Hank and Henry September box, which I got the black and I got the blue. So I don't want this to go to waste, especially since I don't do liner very often. The last thing I got was this Stila. Ooh, I think I got the color everyone wanted. I got the Stila Patina Shimmer Liquid Lip. Ooh, this is gonna be perfect. So I'm glad with this. I've never had a Stila. I've never owned a Stila product, so this is really cool. Now, since again I goofed and I didn't realize. I think I was so pissed off when I saw that the Too Faced palette wasn't in here and my other stuff wasn't in here. I was like, bleep, 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 bleep. And so I didn't pay attention to the fact that I got the eyeshadow palette. But let's keep on going. So I'm going to use my Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and I'm just going to do a quick little bronzing. I do like going over my forehead just a bit. Now I do want to tone it down just a smidge, so I'm going to take my little powder brush. I'm using my Pretty Vulgar. So this is me applying most of the items that I got in this month's Boxy Luxe. I will put the total below so you know how much the total retail value was for the products. I also forgot to mention I have variation 5L, L meaning Luxe, and variation 5. So once again, thank you guys for joining me. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. And let me know how you guys feel about your Boxy Charm box. Again, this month I'm very disappointed where I'll be canceling at this point. Unless something like so amazing happened or next month's box is that amazing, maybe I'll re-sign up, but I highly doubt it. I have so much makeup anyways. But let me know. Did you guys get what you selected? Did you guys get what you selected? Were you guys happy with the items? If so, what was your favorite item from this month's box? Thank you guys very, very much for joining me, and you guys have a beautiful day. Goodbye.